Right now, the market looks like complete trash. Bitcoin from the all-time high dropped over 36%. And many people are crying for the bear market. All the altcoins are completely bleeding. However, there is not everything lost. When we take a look at daily tokens deployed, nothing changed. Like, there are still people trading inside of the trenches. And there are not only just launching the tokens, there are also tokens graduating on Fanfan. Over 120 tokens graduated in the last 24 hours, which shows us that there are still interest trading meme coins. Even though maybe the market isn't looking that great right now, there are still interest in meme coins. And this is exactly one of the reasons why I'm doing this video, because the second reason is that ATM.day launched once again their promo offer for lifetime subscription. You have 4 spots available for $990 instead of regular $6,900. And recently they had to increase the price of their lifetime membership because of the amount of new features that they added, plus everything that is coming very, very soon. Because once you get access to ATM.day, you already have 6 trading algorithms for meme coins. You already have infinite checks for the volume checker, which is absolutely amazing. And you also get access to their private Telegram community. So what's even better about this lifetime deal is that we don't really know when we are going to see prices cheap like this. It's 86% off, and I got people in my DMs asking me for any discount for ATM.day. And exactly here it is. And not only are getting everything that's already involved, you'll be first person to get access to any new tools and any new algorithms. They already created the first in the market organic volume checker, and you, as I said, you get unlimited checks. And in the next 7 days, they are launching advanced fees analytics and holder analytics. So once again, when you buy the lifetime deal, you are actually getting updates every single month. And it's been amazing working with the team because they deliver on every promise they made so far. And also, if you get the lifetime, and also if you get the lifetime subscription, you get the Degen Mode, which allows you to get access to their profitable wallet database, which is constantly being updated. You can use it for copy trading, of course, or you can just track them manually inside of your Nova or GMGN. You also get one-to-one session with their Quan, who is managing the basement on Telegram, and he will help you improve your strategy, win rate, and in general help you trade meme coins more profitably. And also, very soon they're going to announce even more special features only available for users with lifetime, and also those features will be connected to ATM token. And I already spoke about ATM token in my previous video, so you can see it in the card somewhere. And I know that I already spoke about ATM.day so many times, but I just wanted to give you a heads up that they have this amazing deal right now, and I don't even have to convince you that ATM.day works. Those are just the fines for November, and right here is their Telegram group. Let's just take a look at 1 month leaderboard. The best call was 26x, and the average return on the calls inside of their private group that you get access to when you buy their subscription is 2.2x. Pretty much on every single call, you are doubling your money if you follow what they're doing inside of this group. So in my opinion, if you need any more reasons to actually get ATM.day, just scroll through their X, watch my previous videos, and I'm going to be sure that you'll be satisfied if you get yourself a subscription. And of course, you don't have to go with lifetime. I will also leave a link in the description below to regular monthly subscription, and if you use my link, you are going to get extra 7 days completely for free. And if you would like to stay up to date with deals like this, make sure to join my Telegram channel. Link also will be in the video description. And if you have any questions about ATM.day, the subscription, or if it's worth it or not, just make sure to leave a comment or even DM me on Telegram, Instagram, or whatever. I'm reading every single message and every single comment I get. And also, I already helped a few people make their mind to get themselves ATM membership. So if you have any questions, comments, and DMs, I'll help you figure out if this platform is actually for you. But that's going to be it for this video. I just wanted to showcase you the ATM Pro lifetime deal. But if you are interested in finding out how I'm making 20% a week copy trading wallets on Hyperliquid, then make sure to watch this video next.